Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You'll start by making the pages you intend to connect. Open the file and verify editor rights because interaction links require edit mode. Once done, create named pages, home, flow, components so navigation stays predictable. Make sure frames are organized and sized consistently. This prevents offset when you prototype. Now select the first frame you want a link from. You're ready to add an interaction and move toward building the prototype flow step by step. Select the element that will trigger navigation and switch to the prototype tab so you can create a link. Then drag the circular node from that element to a frame on any page. This connects pages directly. Choose a trigger, like on tap or while hover, and then pick Navigate to as the action. You can define transitions and duration in milliseconds to control timing. Make adjustments so the user flow feels natural, and test each link as you add it to catch misdirected targets. Now preview your prototype in present mode and click through every interaction so you can confirm the pages connect as intended. This shows both navigation and animation. If something feels off, return to prototype, adjust the target frame, or switch the animation easing until it's smooth. Make sure overlays and fixed headers are set correctly and save changes. If links fail, check layer stacking, broken nodes, or that you still have editor access. That single permission issue.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.